Hi everyone, welcome to this video on maximizing vertical space in your home. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of utilizing vertical space in your home and sharing some tips and tricks for making the most of your vertical space. Tip number 1, make use of vertical shelving. One of the best ways to maximize vertical space is to make use of vertical shelving. This can be wall-mounted shelves, bookshelves, or even a ladder shelf. Vertical shelving provides additional storage space without taking up valuable floor space. Tip number 2, hang things on the walls. Another way to maximize vertical space is to hang things on the walls. This can include artwork, mirrors, shelves, and even clothing racks. Tip number 3, use tall furniture pieces. Tall furniture pieces, such as armoires and bookcases, can also help to maximize vertical space. These pieces provide both storage and display space, while taking up minimal floor space. Tip number 4, consider built-in storage solutions. Built-in storage solutions, such as cabinets and shelving units, can also help to maximize vertical space. These solutions are especially useful in smaller homes and apartments where every inch of space counts. Tip number 5, think vertical with plants. Finally, don't forget about plants. Vertical gardens and hanging planters can add a pop of green and help to maximize your vertical space. In conclusion, maximizing vertical space in your home is all about finding creative ways to utilize the walls and other vertical surfaces. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to make the most of your vertical space and create a more functional and organized home. Thank you for watching.